Done using editing 24/7 and want to remove it now? Here's how to uninstall cleanly. First, open your system's app manager or control panel. Find editing 24/7 in the installed program list. Click on it and choose uninstall. A window will appear asking for confirmation. Proceed and the uninstaller will remove all core files. Want to clean up leftover files? Head to your program files folder and delete any remaining editing 24/7 folders. You can also clear cache settings in your user's app data or preference folder depending on your setup. Before uninstalling, export your ongoing project in case you come back later. Are you switching editors? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.